Finding Your Lost Child, Understanding Allergies, Nutrition, and Detox in Autism, authored by Dr. Inge Jung, read by Melinda Zarate. Chapter 1, Autism Spectrum Disorders and Allergies. Early in my career, I began to see a few new types of patients. Some of them had been diagnosed with autism or were on the autism spectrum, others not yet diagnosed. But with time, I saw more and more kids with these kinds of problems. My concern for my patients led me to begin researching autism from a holistic perspective. During 2 decades of research, I gained deeper insights into autism, allergies, nutrition, and detoxification. I created this book to bring this information together in one place to enable you to achieve better health for your entire family. From a holistic nutritional perspective, and according to Hippocrates, all illness begins in the gut. More and more holistic doctors are starting to understand the truth in this, and scientists are working on the new thing, the microbiome. Children with ADD, ADHD, autism, Asperger's, or any other form of ASD all have allergies. Some of these children suffer from very severe allergies as the result of a compromised digestive system. The gut is not called the second brain for nothing. It controls all of the functions in the body and also the brain. Dietary changes can improve the health of anyone suffering from a condition such as autism, since they all have compromised digestive systems and multiple food and environmental allergies. In some cases, eliminating allergens from their diets can result in rapid improvement in healing the gut and a lot of the typical ASD symptoms. Most children coping with ASD have other health problems besides their allergies. This group may experience subtler enhancement in overall health after subtracting allergens from their diets. However, patients of all ages and at every point on the ASD can benefit from the allergen elimination approach together with lifestyle changes. Healing the digestive tract by eliminating identified allergens and changing the diet can improve the overall health and well-being of all ASD children.